we got the most relevant researchers from all the three Americas working together and putting a series of recommendations that can be used by governments. And this report turned out to be a very important and relevant in terms of water security. Due to the fact that IAP was in charge of giving the financial support for this program, we decided together with IAP, why not work together two different regional networks, and then the water program from IANAS worked together with the water program for Africa, and we got a totally new, different report with recommendations that can be used for both continents.